everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I am going to tell you how much I think I can make off these 500 items I just pulled out of this huge pallet unboxing. Okay, so I just unboxed like the marathon of all unboxings. Let me give you the specs on this one, and then if you want to go see the entire unboxings, I will tag it at the end of this video. Check it out. I show you each and every item. This was a Bulq.com pallet of 501 items of uninspected returns. It was women's apparel, Champion, Ava and Viv, Nuvano. It retailed for around $10,000. Obviously, as a reseller, I'm not going to get that much money, but my cost was $740. And then this was one of the pallets that I picked up when I took my Bulq.com warehouse tour. So if you haven't seen my warehouse tour, check that out. But it was when I rented the truck and stayed overnight and paid for gas and all that stuff, I picked up multiple pallets, and that averaged out to be $76 a pallet for a total of $816 for me, $1.63 per item. Your cost, if you wouldn't have gone to the warehouse like I did to pick it up, but you got it shipped directly to your door, would have been $740, the same as me, $200 of flat rate shipping, $940, $1.88 per item. So let me tell you some of the awesome things that I found in here, and I want to show them to you. So I know I am on my own without my hubby filming today, but I wanted to show you just the mountains and mountains of clothes. Most of these things were brand new with tags. I think I probably found about 4 or 5 items that are definitely for sure unsellable, but everything else is amazing. These are all underwear and socks and leggings and tank tops and lots of sweaters and cardigans. Plain cardigans, which I'm super excited about. Blue jeans with tags on them. Really, really nice boots that I found in a mystery box. That was just random. Some cool, fun shoes. Here's some more underwear. This was my favorite thing. Right here, it's a youth suit that looks like crayon Christmas decorations. Comes with the tie, with the pants, and the suit coat. It's a size extra large in youth. And then, of course, lots of Christmas sweaters, but not just Christmas sweaters. There were really nice, just plain cardigans. Like here's a plain purple long cardigan. Had some brown ones and black ones and green ones. There was a watch in there that is working. If you see the second hand moving, it actually is working in good working condition. Some cute wedges, some jewelry. So like I said, this pallet had 501 items in it, and it was totally full almost completely to the brim. So some of you may be wondering, what in the world am I going to do with all this stuff? Well, most of it's probably going to end up on my Poshmark store, but don't get me wrong. I'm going to try to find as much as I can on the Amazon platform, because anything that I send to the Amazon warehouse, I don't have to ship myself. I throw it all in one box all together, and then Amazon handles all the shipping. And so I usually can sell it for a little bit more money there. And so a lot of the nylons, leggings, even some of the regular clothing, even the Christmas sweaters and things like that can go to Amazon right now. You may think, why in the world am I selling sweaters and snow pants and winter boots right now? Well, the biggest reason is because you can't find them in the stores or anywhere else. So don't hold on to them for seasonal. At least that's my advice. Go ahead and send them in. And so I'm going to be processing this pallet. I would say that I probably am going to have about 6 to 7 hours worth of full work of processing through this pallet of 500 items. I believe that I can make around $2,500 off of what I sell, and that's a low estimate of what I think that I can make. And then if you take off my $816, I think I'm going to make, around $1,200 on all of these clothing items, and a lot of it will just enhance my Poshmark store and make more people come and see some of the things that I've already got listed there. So I'm really excited about this and think that it's a really good deal. My $2,500 estimation is probably way low. I expect probably more in the realistic range of around $4,000 because of how many articles of clothing and some of the things that I got in the great condition. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what I got out of this 500 item palette. If you haven't seen the full unboxing, I think it's around an hour long. Go ahead and check it out. I'll tag it at the end of this video and you can fast forward through the boring parts, but I do show you each and every individual item. If you're looking for any of these items, check out my hookedonpickin.com store or my Poshmark store, which is under the name Paul Hooks, or follow the link in the description below. Hopefully it's been helpful to know what you can get out of a 500 item clothing palette. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin' Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin' Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.